Our tutorial for today is about Bidmas. It's sometimes known as Bodmas. So this is an acronym which stands for brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So Bidmas will help us to remember the order of operations in our calculations. So let's say we have 7 minus 3 times 1. So how are we going to calculate this? So we've got two operations shown here. We've got subtraction and we've got multiplication. So looking at the word Bidmas, subtraction comes here and then multiplication is here. That means we need to do the multiplication first. So looking at this, we're going to multiply 3 times 1 and then just copy the subtraction. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So the next example will be 8 times 9 minus 3. So how are we going to go about this? So you have multiplication here, which is here as well, and subtraction. So multiplication comes first. So we're going to multiply 8 times 9, which is 72, and then just copy minus 3. So 72 minus 3 is equal to 69. Let's try another example. So we have 10 divided by 10 times 1. We have division, which is here. Then we have multiplication, which is here. Division and multiplication can be interchanged, whichever comes first. So we're going to divide 10 divided by 10, which will give you 1, times 1. So 1 times 1 will give you 1. Okay, let's try another example. Here you have 2 plus bracket, 3 times 10 close bracket. So let's work this out. So we have an addition. So we're just going to get rid of this for now. You have addition. So we've got that here. And then we have brackets. And inside the brackets, we got multiplication. So we're going to do the brackets first. So just copy the 2 and multiply 3 times 10, which will give you 30. So 2 plus 30 will give you 32. Okay, let's have another example. So this is a little bit more complicated. So we'll put that there for now and move our board to the left. So you have 3 cubed minus 24 plus 2 times 3. So you have more than quite a few operations here. We have this one, which is an index. So you have the index, which is your I. So we just rub off the others here. And you have the index or order as we have it for Bodmas. Then we have subtraction, addition, and multiplication. So according to the acronym Bidmas, we need to do the index first. So 3 cubed is 3 times 3, which is 9, times 3 again is 27. So we're going to write 27. And we are supposed to do the multiplication next. So we're going to multiply 2 times 3, which is 6. And then just copy the rest for now. So the next operation will be subtraction and addition. So whichever comes first, that's what we're going to do for addition and subtraction. 27 minus 24 is 3. And then you just add 6. And your answer is 9. So another example that we can have is this one here. So a little bit more complicated. Okay, so what operations have we got here? We have addition. We have multiplication. We have the index or roots, subtraction, and multiplication again. So first, we need to do the index. So square root of 1 is 9. And So we have next is multiplication. Okay, so we're just going to copy that one there. Keep things simple for now. Okay, so we're going to do the multiplication. So 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, just copy the subtraction there and copy the rest here. Now we have addition and subtraction. So addition comes first with this 2 here. You have to do whatever comes first. So 2 plus 27 is 29 minus 21. So 29 minus 21 will give you 8. And that's our answer. So our next example is this one. We have 4 plus 5 brackets times open bracket 10 minus 8 close bracket. We have, just rub that off, we've got brackets. So the brackets is the first thing that you should be doing. And then you have multiplication and another set of brackets. So brackets you do first. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Just copy the times and do the next brackets. 10 minus 8 is 2. So 9 times 2 will give you 18. Our last example is this. So you have 2 cube. So cube stands for index. And then you have brackets and another index inside the brackets. So what we do is do the brackets first. So we just copy the 2 cube. And inside the bracket, you have 4 plus 5 square. So 5 square is another index. So we're going to do that before adding. So 5 square is 25. So do that first. And then we do the rest of the operation inside the bracket. 4 plus 5 will give you 29. Then do the index once you've done everything inside the bracket. 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2, which will give you 8 plus 29, and your answer is 37. Now have a go at these exercises. While you're working this out, press the pause button and press play again when you're ready to see the answers. And these are the answers. So for number 1, your answer is 42. Number 2, you have 7. Number 3, 49. Number 4, 700. And number 5, you have 83. I hope you got your answers right, and thank you for watching.